Hey, what's up? This is Brett from FBAExcel. I just wanted to record a quick video. First off, welcoming you to checking out our Outsource Rolodex. So what you're going to find in this is Amazon specialists, VAs, brand managers, things like that, as well as agencies. And this will be expanding quite a bit very soon. Right now it's got a couple hundred rows in here and entries. You'll find resumes, reviews, some video recordings like this. So you'll be able to easily filter through it and just reach out privately and set up interviews, work out deals, things like that. Totally free resource. As far as FBAExcel is concerned, I thought it might be nice to include ourselves. So I put a entry here for our tools. So if you're not familiar, FBAExcel, we sell Amazon tools that specialize in Google Sheets. So you can check our homepage out at fbaexcel.io. A lot of free resources, testimonials. Our most popular tool is Ad Tactics. So it's a bulk operations kind of all-in-one platform. We've got a scale assisted plan where our team of VAs will help you maintain the tools. So that's one option. I'm here in the members area so you can see everything's well organized. You've got a training guide for all the tools. There's SOPs, videos, things like that. We've got Chrome extension that allows you to download a lot of reports, schedule tasks in Seller Central. You can check us out on the App Store there from our homepage. Our Search Query Commander tool, that's a sheet that helps you organize your weekly search query performance. Our rank tracking tool is called Ranks. It just helps you with daily sponsored and organic rank position over time for all your keywords. And what's nice about this tool is you can specify the zip code and the time that you want to track those metrics every day. So that's going to give you definitely different results. Keyword Dominator, that's a tool that looks at your top 9 competitors as well as your product and helps you organize a target keyword list for optimizing your listing, optimizing PPC, keyword lists, things like that. Our metrics tracking tool, that is for daily trend tracking of all your products, just making sure sessions, conversion rates, click-through rates, all of that, both for your ads and organic data. Books accounting, that's a financial tool, just helps you generate a profit and loss statement. Here you can see our plans. I mentioned the done for yous, our scale assisted, so you can click on here and learn more about kind of how that works. But it's basically, again, our internal team helping you maintain the tools, offering strategic advice. You also get access to our private Discord channel and just helps with more priority support. And then the scale plan, this is the kind of do-it-yourself option where you get access to all the tools. As far as the training, you're looking in the members area right now. It's really well laid out with all the videos. So we've definitely been improving things considerably there. You also get free access to our influencer Rolodex and the resource I'm going over right now, which is our Outsource Rolodex. So I'd invite you to check out our website. And if you're interested in our scale assisted services, you can find that again right here on our website and reach out to us directly. Schedule a call with me. We'll get set up with kind of a discovery call and go from there. Appreciate you stopping by. See you.